Uptown Mix-Up, Ton sends. Message to Jamaica, trolls and her fans. After exposing Christoph Taylor of giving her an infection and being abused.
I've been avoiding coming on here and talking about this, just like sitting and talking about it, because in reality I don't feel like I owe anybody an explanation. In the 3 years since I've been considered an influencer, I have been talked into coming on here and apologizing and over explaining myself and trying to convince people that I'm a good person, or convince people of my side, or convince people to see things my way. Because at the same time, I've also learned how the internet works, and there is no convincing anybody of who you are when it comes to the internet. And for that reason, I will never come on this internet and apologize or cry or call the Lord's name to defend my action ever again. Because quite frankly, I do not owe anyone any explanation for anything that I do at any point in time. That's the reality of it. What I will do is come on this internet and clear a few things up, and this will be the last time I will be speaking about this, because I do have work to get back to, and this has become a bit of a distraction. My name is Tanya Williams, and this is my platform. This platform was built on me being 100% myself. I quite literally started this platform telling you guys my business from the get-go. My experiences with different men, my issues with other influencers, and my extremely, let's call them, out there opinions on various things. The second, and I am not even joking, the second that I started making money from this, getting attention from certain brands on this platform, and becoming a so-called influencer, the expectations of me changed drastically, and I have never had the backbone to say no, this is who I am, take it or leave it. For that reason, there are several instances I have come back and